Are you dreaming of transforming a diamond in the rough into your perfect dream home? Well, before you plunge in, make sure that you keep these key points in mind. Number 1, structural integrity. Look for signs of major issues like foundation cracks, sagging floors. These can be costly repairs. Number 2, plumbing and electrical. Ensure that these systems are up to code and in good condition. Rewiring and repiping can be a very significant expense. Number 3, budget wisely. Have a realistic renovation budget and include a buffer for unexpected surprises. Number 4, location. The right neighborhood can make all the difference. A great area can enhance your home's value post-renovation. Number 5, permits and regulations. Understand what permits are needed for your planned renovations and factor this into the timeline. A fixer-upper can be a fantastic opportunity to help you build your own dream home, no matter what the price point is. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I'd love to help you. Bye-bye.